There are, of course, plenty of museums with exhibits on Taiwan's past. But at National Taiwan Museum, not all the history is on display behind glass. And here, the museum building itself offers visitors a first-hand look into the past.
Founded in 1908, it is Taiwan's oldest museum. And its main building, built in 1915, hides plenty of interesting quirks. Formosa News takes you to uncover some of the secrets of the museum.
We're currently at National Taiwan Museum, the oldest museum still operating in Taiwan. Today, our tour guide will share with us some of the secrets in the museum.
Now follow me, please, this way.
National Taiwan Museum was founded during the Japanese colonial era. It's the only museum to have remained open at its original site despite wars and changes in Taiwan's government. Its main building, which was designed in a neoclassical style, was built in memory of two important Japanese officials, Kodama Gentaro and Goto Shinbei. There are many symbols of the pair in the building. For example, the main hall has a niche at each side which their statues used to stand. After the Japanese rule ended, the statues were removed and replaced with two vases.
We have two statues at each side of this lobby in Japanese period. They were people that were commemorated by the colonial government. The 4th Governor General Kodama Gentaro and his partner Goto Shinbei, the civil administrator. Most Taiwanese are quite familiar with Goto Shinbei, Houten Xinping, because he has done a lot of like scientific surveys and modernization policies. And this is also why they were commemorated here, because by the end of their term, the Japanese colonial government could eventually profit from colonizing Taiwan.
Look closely at the skylight and you'll find symbols of the two officers in a form of their family crests. Goto's is a vine crest, while Kodama's is a war fan with bamboo leaves. These family crests are also hiding in plain sight elsewhere in the lobby.
At the two sides of the lamp, you can see the family emblems of the two Japanese officers. So the one with wisteria vine, like vine blossom, is the one for Goto Shinbei. The other one, you can see bamboo leaves, and underneath is the war fan. That is the family emblem for Kodama Gentaro. So in addition to this very subtle decoration, if you look up even, you can see that there are also family emblems on the skylight.
The museum is a National Historic Site. It was designed by Japanese architects Nomura Ichiro and Araki Aichi. Their goal was to make a grand building with noble materials. For instance, the handrails at the stairs are made out of high-quality marble from Japan. It looks like the same marble that covers the wall at the back. But get close and give it a touch and you'll notice something is off.
During the construction of this museum building, there was something very important happening in the world, and that is World War I. So as you can imagine, all the price of the raw materials was rising. And hence, they actually didn't have enough money to apply expensive marbles. This is very different material from marble. This is actually plaster. So while you may think, oh, plaster wall is very cheap, this building still cost a fortune. Local guavas inside.
Although the building was designed in a Western style, the architects incorporated many tropical elements. For instance, this bullseye window, which is decorated with tropical Taiwanese fruits. In the West, the fruits would be things like apples and grapes. But here, you'll also find pineapples, star fruits, bananas, wax apples, and more.
If you look at around this kind of bullseye window, usually it's decorated with flowers or plants. But if you look closely at this particular one, you will discover that it's actually decorated with Taiwanese fruits, part of the tropical decoration of the museum.
Esconderon por todo el edificio unos símbolos de las familias de Kodama Gentaro y Goto Shinbei.
The yellow tiger flag behind me is the flag of the Formosan Republic.
National Taiwan Museum shows the secrets of the museum in free English tours every Sunday afternoon. There are also weekend tours in more than 20 Asian and European languages. Formosa News, Stephanie Yang, Huang Pinghan in Taipei.